Good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. I'm outside in the front yard. And look how the begonias and the coleus have grown up. So I'm out here about to do a little maintenance on this section. Gotta watch out because there's some ant piles in here. But this is a mulberry. And it's about to come down because it's not supposed to be here. But yeah, y'all look, and the coleus is starting to flower. But let's cut this mulberry down. Okay, all gone. I couldn't hold the camera and cut at the same time. I don't have my stand. So there you have it. Then bringing you over to the other side. Looking good, y'all, looking good. I am excited. These were all plants that I overwintered from last year. I cut one plant. I just kept cutting pieces off of one plant last winter before it got too cold, and overwintered them, put them in some soil, and when it was time, I brought them out here. And this is some morning glory. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take those stakes right there, put them around the tree so the morning glory will climb. Hopefully, that's what I'm hoping for, that the morning glory will climb the tree. Okay, so if you guys can see, I put the stakes up so that the morning glory can climb up the stakes and hopefully wrap around the tree. Okay, so this is the front area, my front yard, I should say. So right here we have the chrysanthemums, we have the purple hearts that are growing like crazy. And y'all, if y'all don't remember, well, y'all probably don't remember, but this plant was maybe 2-3 years ago. I had got some mulch. The very first time I got mulch, maybe one plant was in there, like a chopped piece of a plant was in there, and I just threw it. I didn't think nothing of it, and that sucker grew, and then I propagated it to that one, and then I have more in the backyard. There's a piece in here. There's a piece that I put over here. So yes. And these are volunteer cosmos. I had a huge cosmos growing last year, and I guess the seeds just dropped, and they are popping up in here, and I'm gonna let them pop up. And I'm just gonna, once they get big enough, I'm just gonna place them in a cute little assembly. So the rose bushes are doing what they're doing. So yo, tell me this. So I got pink, dark pink, fuchsia pink on that rose bush. This rose bush has pink and white roses on it. Now, where they do that at? What kind of configuration science model project, or science project I should say, did this come from? Yeah, you see it right here. I ain't making it up. So yeah, some more purple hearts. This is my petunia. This thing just keeps growing. And then I put some more of a different version of the coleus in this pot. I had the green with the pink coleus in here, also with the red, the pinkish red, maroon, burgundy, whatever you want to call it. But for whatever reason, I don't know if one of the kids knocked it down or that wind we were having, it broke off. So hopefully I can save it. And then our last section is over here. We have some more morning glory popping up right here, and the gladiolus right here, and then we have some more a different color one. I planted some different colors in there, so this will be I think red and pink, and yellow and pink in this container. Excited about that. And then this is our mulberry tree. Took it from out the backyard, put it out here, sprayed it because it had that like black mold growing around it again at the bottom, and it was sprayed into my lemon tree. So I sprayed it down, and it's been out here since last year, and this year it is doing great. And I'm gonna spray it again, just for precaution. So that is the mulberry, and eventually I'm going to take this out of this pot and let it do what it do. So yeah, that is the front yard, y'all. Grass needs to be cut, but we ain't worried about that. Yeah, so thank y'all for coming out, watching this video. Share me with your family and your friends. Until I see you in my next videos, don't forget, check out my other social media profiles. Share me with your family and friends. I know I say that, but I say it again. Share me with your family and your friends. Hit that like button, y'all. Subscribe. It's free 99 to subscribe, y'all. We're trying to get to 2,000 family members over here. So hopefully we can do that by my birthday. Which is in June. So yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Till I see you guys in the next video. I'm Salon Diva V, in a place to be, y'all. My garden, you know what it is. Peace.